Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear caches manually in Telegram. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Telegram app on your phone. Then once you open it, you tap on the settings icon, which is the gear button. Then you scroll down a little, then you tap on data and storage. From there you scroll down a little. Now don't scroll down, you tap on storage usage. Then you scroll down all the way to the down part of the page. Then you will see the list of Telegram chats and people you've recently chatted with on your Telegram app. Then from there you can simply tap on the edit button. Then you can manually clear their caches off your Telegram account to create more space for your phones to run effectively. So right now I'm trying to tap on some of the chat. So you can see now I have about like 20 chats selected so far. So I'm just going to clear them off from my Telegram storage usage. So make sure you check very well so that you will not end up clear off the most important chat. So those selected ones are not as important as what they have, so just tap on clear the chat. Okay, then you clear everything and that's it.